Now, there are a lot of things you can use basil for soups, stews, marinades, great with chicken, fish. Today, I have lemon basil and sweet basil. So this is usually like the ones you see around in supermarkets. This is what we locally call akokomeza. There are a whole lot of species of basil. But today for my garnish, I'm using the sweet basil because it has broader leaves than the lemon basil, even though the lemon basil smells like so good. I'm gonna use my basil as garnish, and I'm not just gonna place it on my meal directly. You can do that, but the thing with basil is when you garnish with the fresh leaf on a hot meal, it darkens and it tends to wilt so fast. So I'm just gonna pluck my basil. So I have heated oil here. So what I'm gonna do is just drop the basil in the oil. So I'm gonna let it fry till it's crispy. This makes it more exciting than just dropping it on your food fresh. Now my basil is looking nice and crispy. So I'm just gonna take it out of the oil and strain it on a paper towel. Now look, let me just show you. See? Ooh, it's hot. It's almost like glass. So see, I'm just gonna grab this, and I hope you can hear this. Just a quick demo. I have my pasta here, creamy, delicious pasta. And I'm just gonna use the basil to garnish. Or to be more dramatic, I'm just gonna grab a bunch of it. You just crush it and sprinkle all over the pasta. And it's fine if some goes around the plate.